Hello and welcome back to the channel, everyone. I know it's been a while, but trust me, there's some good things coming down. So over the past few months, I've gotten really into machine learning, but here's the thing. I don't really know anything about it yet. I know machine learning is that 2020 buzzword topic among the tech world, but in reality, it is kind of cool even though people are trying to put AI into everything, even your toaster oven. Come on now, do you really need AI in your toaster oven? I don't know. Maybe it'll be cool. Future video, let's see. I'm really interested in the process of going from idea to reality when it comes to machine learning or AI. As someone who's primarily a web developer, I know nothing about how you get started in machine learning or even where to begin to start to bring my ideas to reality. And this is what this video series is going to be about. You see, whenever I'm interested in a topic, I, like many of you, go on YouTube and try to find videos on that topic. And one of those days I was scrolling through YouTube, the YouTube algorithm actually did something good and recommended me a channel by the name of Daniel Burke. And that channel has been a very big inspiration for this series. You see, Daniel Burke is someone who didn't have a very technical background. In fact, I don't think he had any sort of formal technical background like a CS degree or anything like that. And he was sharing his journey about teaching himself machine learning so he can match it with his nutrition background to create some really cool things. And see, after scouring his channel for a while, I came across one of his videos that blew my mind. One of the videos I came across was him recreating the Airbnb amenity detection AI. All you would have to do is upload a picture of your living room or kitchen and all the amenities will be caught and sent back to the user, just making it a seamless process. You see, to me, that was something that seemed really difficult to tackle with machine learning, something I would expect people with master's degrees and years of experience in the field to accomplish. But what I thought was really cool is you saw Daniel Burke go through the process of recreating the application without any of that background. He taught himself what he needed to know and documented his process along the way. Link to the channel is down below, but in the end, it turned out to be a very awesome project and overall just got me really hyped on learning machine learning. I also think it's really important to share things like that with other people because that video there inspired me to create this. And hopefully my videos will inspire you to create something cool too. So now that you know my motivation for starting this series, let's go ahead and get into the plan. So the plan I'm following is Daniel Burke's plan, and I've linked his video down below so you can follow along if you want to. I'm gonna do my machine learning with a background in Python. The reason I chose Python is that it seems relatively simple to learn, and there are many resources online that help me with any problems that I come across. To keep myself organized, I've made myself a plan in Notion. Now, if you've never used Notion before, I highly recommend it. It makes organization really fun. You can see here my starting plan with Notion. I'm going to start off with learning the basics of Python and then move on to more data science oriented courses. Everything I'm using to learn Python is free to use and probably off of YouTube. And if I come across anything I have to pay for, I'll leave links to it down below and make a review of it so you know if it's worth your time. After I learn the basics with pandas, numpy, and matplotlib, I'll get on to actually learning some machine learning principles and techniques. But first, I want to make sure I have a very solid foundation, and that's why I'm taking the time to learn these steps. So that's my plan, and just so you know, it's not set in stone. There's definitely going to be some pivots, there's things I'm going to have to learn. I don't know everything, nor do I expect I will after a year from now, but I am willing to go through the process and learn whatever I need to learn along the way. And this is something I really can't wait to share with you all. So if you like what you heard so far, please hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more. I plan to post every Monday with some sort of progress and update. And so whatever I learn throughout the week, I'm gonna leave links to all the educational resources in the description of those videos. And so hopefully you can repeat the same thing I did and get to some similar result. With that being said, I'm gonna end the video here. Don't forget to subscribe and thank you all for tuning in. I'll see you next week on Machine Learning Mondays.